Trackunit to me.
Trackunit for me.
For me, Trackunit is
community,
home, innovative,
ambitious,
transformative,
people,
power,
a catalyst,
trust,
eliminating downtime.
My name is Michael. I've been here at Trackunit for 3 years, and I work on the front end on our main application. For me, Trackunit means collaboration, collaboration with my colleagues around the tasks, around social stuff. I think we're really good at helping each other out. There's time to finish things you start and actually dive in and do a proper job at it. So when you work on a coding task, you can always get it over the finish line fairly quickly. But then it's all the edge cases and all the stuff that makes the product great that you miss. But here, I feel like we can actually take the time to complete the task in a way that we can be really proud of. And that feels good when you're a developer. One thing that sets Trackunit apart from other companies is the really good collaboration between teams and getting that extra touch. And you can always reach out and get help with something. Of course, you also give back. Great communities, great collaboration. Yeah, I'd say for sure we have a great culture around helping each other out, collaborating on tasks across teams too. We have communities focused around topics, so we have a front-end community that we try to drive in a way that we involve different people and people take hopefully responsibility for one part of it, and then so really handing out responsibility in a way that people are comfortable with, but also that helps drive the platform. So you can carve out your own little corner. So Code Tracks is a small conference we hold at Trackunit, invite people from the outside to tell them about the technologies we use and how we work around the rather large code base and how we keep that in shape over time. So somebody got to speak at those events, and I sometimes take one of those slots, right? So it's definitely a fun experience to prepare something in depth that you can tell other people about. There's always a difference between knowing something and then knowing it so well that you can tell others about it. So really makes you know your stuff. One thing that really stands out to me was one time one of the backenders had an improvement that would improve the speed of how we load the front page in rather tremendous work, but it also took some collaboration with the front end. And making that happen was such a huge improvement that you don't even see as a customer, unless of course you feel the speed improvement rather, to a rather large degree. But tweaking these hidden things in a way that really benefits everyone, that was a great moment. So my team owns the map component, and then a backender from another team, he made some huge improvements to the algorithm that returns those markers on the map, and then reached out to us because we own the component in the front end. And so we got together and came up with a plan and executed over a long period of time, and then delivered with a really seamless experience for our customers. So in our community around front end, I feel like I've definitely carved out some small portion of that I oversee, and I don't think that was really the intention, but once you show interest in a topic, you can really get a lot of influence there. I would probably describe Trackunit to a friend as a company that makes digital tools for the construction industry, and a really modern company that where the structure is modern and the code base is modern, and make a lot of really cool decisions around the code and also around people. Trackunit has for sure supported my personal growth tremendously. I mean, when I started here, looking back with my eyes now, I barely knew anything about coding. but I feel like I have gotten a really deep understanding, had the chance to build that understanding over time. So I feel like I've been fortunate to have some really good leaders, and been put in positions where they push me to the right extent, so that I can feel ownership over something that I can manage to grow into another area later that fits that. So continuously kind of filling larger and larger shoes.